हेलो चैम्पियंस। सो हमने लास्ट सेशन में देखा था एपीआई रिक्वेस्ट हिट की थी। एपीआई रिक्वेस्ट का रेस्पॉन्स मिला था, दैट वाज इन द जेसन फॉर्मेट, समथिंग लाइक दिस। सो आगे का प्रोसेस करते हैं। अभी तक हमने किया है लॉग इन टू AWS, चूज द फॉरेक्स एपीआई। द फॉरेक्स एपीआई दैट वी चूज इज द अल्फा वेंटेज. Okay, so the next step is to create a S3 bucket. First of all, here are the main steps. Okay, now we will be creating an S3 bucket in AWS where we will store the raw forex data before processing it further. Okay, पहले raw data हम store कर रहे हैं. What are the steps to create an S3 bucket? First of all, log into AWS console. Okay, let me log into AWS console. I logged in. I'll go to S3. If in your screen at your console S3 is not visible, directly search it, you will get it. Okay, in case this was, see here I have recently opened it, that's why this S3 is showing to me. In case if S3 is not showing to you in your PC, directly search it. This S3 is visible, open it. Okay, so here I have already created one bucket, but let me to tell you from scratch how to create it. We have gone to AWS S3, click on the create bucket, and then we need to choose the bucket name and the region. So this one I already created, but then also steps I will show you once. Okay, so after doing this, here there will be a create bucket button. So click on the create bucket, keep it general purpose, give the bucket name as forex data bucket v2. I will suggest you that you should give the same bucket name, so that in future, like if you are using the same naming convention, it would be easy for you to do it step by step along with me, cause in the notes as well I will be providing you the same name wherever it is used further. Okay, this thing we have to keep it as it is. Bucket versioning, keep it disable as of now. Keep everything as it is, then click on create bucket. Also at the above it will show you to select the region. You have to select the region according to you. Here I am selecting as Pacific, Asia Pacific, Mumbai, AP South 1. So here is the region. From here you can select whatever region you want to select. I am selecting Mumbai, AP Pacific South 1. First select the region and then only you have to enter your bucket name and keep the rest of the things as it is, and then click on the create bucket. Okay, once it is done, the bucket will be populated in your S3 bucket. So here is the bucket that is already created. Let me go into the bucket and check if there is any file present in it or not. So here nothing is present as of now. Okay, we have created our bucket. This was the simple step. Only these steps are important. Rest of the details I have provided here for the general purpose, in case you want to deep dive. Just a few basic questions so that I can brush up my mind and explore more. Okay, the third step is done. Now the fourth step is of installing the Python script. First of all, install the Python locally in your PC. For installing the Python, download the Python from the official website. Okay, this is the official website. I will even share this link with you. According to you, what what operating system you are using, you have to install the Python in your PC. It is a simple process. There are many YouTubers as well that have already provided the process, but here in order to download you can directly click on download. In case you are using Windows, go to the Windows, and then here you can, from here you can directly install the Python in your PC. Okay, once the Python is installed in your PC, you have to validate whether the Python is correctly installed in your PC or not. So for this, open the terminal. I'm using Mac, so here I will be opening my terminal. You too have to open your terminal. Okay, so here now I'm at the home path. PWD, this is the command that will show you the current directory. Okay, so after this I want to check whether Python is correctly installed in my PC or not. For this I will try to check the version of the Python. If it gives me something like this result, then it means my Python is correctly installed. Python 3 hyphen hyphen version. Okay, see here it is. It means that Python is correctly installed in my PC. In case Python 3 hyphen hyphen version is not working for you, just try Python hyphen hyphen version once. If it is still not working, then make sure you have properly installed Python in your PC. Okay, once Python is installed, what is the next step? Next step is to install the Python required libraries. So basically, the one library that we need is the Boto library, and the other is the request library. So both of these libraries are important in order to execute further. So Boto 3 library, what it is, why do we need it? So that our AWS service can interact with the AWS services like S3. And why the request library is required, so that we can call our API, the API request that we have already created. Okay, so I am using Python 3 version. So for that I will be using this command to install Boto 3. In case you are having the normal version, you can use this. In case both the version are not both the commands are not working for you, go and chat GPT it. uh, I'm telling you in the polite way, not a rude way. Okay, so here is the Boto 3 installation command. See, Boto 3 is installed in my Python. Now the second is the request library. To install the request, this is the command: pip request install request. Okay, this is also installed in my PC. Now we are set up. The third step, it is the creation of the Python script. For that, we have to open the VS Code and create a new file, forexfetch.py. Okay, and then within the script, we have to write the Python. Like within the VS Code, we have to write a Python script. Okay, first I will just create a blank empty script with this name, suggesting you to use the same name for your project. So first of all, I have opened my Visual Studio. If this is not installed in your PC, so you can refer the videos. There are multiple videos showing how to install VS Code, so you can refer that. I will start a new file. It is asking me which type of file. That will be the Python file. Okay, so first of all, in this file, it is not renamed. Let me try to rename. Okay, first let us try create our script. So here I have given you the sample command or the sample Python script that you have to use for your project as well. Okay, so this is the entire script. First, let me paste the script in VS Code, then I will tell you step by step what does this script means. Okay, first of all, I will copy this entire script as it is and paste in my VS Code. Okay, here I have pasted my script. If we see this API key, this API key is my API key that I have created from Alpha Vantage site, right? So you have to paste here your API key. I have mentioned the comment as well. Please read the comment, guys. Okay. So once here what we are doing it, let us see quickly. We are importing the request, the request library that we have already installed in our Python. We are importing the request library. We are defining the parameters API key, base URL. Base URL will be same for you. So this is the one that we have used in the API request call. So from currency to currency, we have given what from which currency to which currency we have to convert. From euro, we are converting to USD. Okay. Then we are defining our API parameters. What are the parameters we would be needing? So here we have defined the function from currency to currency and our API key. This thing will be as it is for you as well. Then we are trying to fetch the data. Here this is the command. So response is equal to request dot get base URL and params is equal to param. So here what we are doing, it will directly pick the base URL and basically from here this entire thing what it will do, it will directly try to